At SuperSteam, we're a wholesale distributor of professional cleaning equipment. We import cleaning equipment like cleaning machines, cleaning supplies like trolleys and mop buckets and mops, and also we blend our own cleaning chemicals and we distribute them throughout Singapore. We have 71 people. Our company has been founded since 2002, so we are 16 years today, and we are one of the leading players in the market. Every day, we meet many customers, we meet many prospects, we meet many leads. So when we meet all these people, everybody gives us a name card. How do we manage these stacks of name cards that we collect? By being able to scan in and have all the name cards on our fingertips, we were able to access all these customers straight away. We were able to refresh, remember their contact names, the numbers. Having all this information at your fingertips is something that is super useful. So it became very convenient for us to reach out to anyone and everyone that we've came across before. Without Sansan, I can't imagine how could we do it. Sansan surprised us with the simplicity and the service support. After we signed up, we actually had people coming down to train us. With Sansan, it's such an easy-to-use software. I'm very happy with it. In fact, our whole company uses it every single day, and we've got many thousands of name cards already scanned in. The more people that use Sansan, the more efficient and productive that they'll find themselves being.